Hi, this is Alex Pault from Aspen Core Media, and I'm here today at Winbond with Tung-Yi. He's the president of the company, and well, hey, I'm glad you had the time to talk to us today.
Yeah, hi, thank you for the time, so I can introduce Winbond to the audience.
Well, the industry is moving forward very quickly, right? Yeah. We've got edge computing, we've got the Internet of Things, and the more we're pushing that logic out to the edge, the more we need memory at the edge as well, right?
That's correct. And actually, the edge computing also poses a great opportunity to Winbond, to our product portfolio that we have developed in the last decade or 20 years.
Very nice. Well, what are some of the challenges when you're designing for edge devices and implementing memory solutions at that point? What are some of the things that Winbond does to help the engineer accomplish that?
Okay. For the edge device, the designer who cares most first is the power consumption, because it's a mobile devices. So, however, in addition to that, they also wish the component can provide the low power consumption plus better performance. That is a challenge. Winbond have a wide product portfolio in both the DRAM and the flash that can enable the system to lower the power consumption. For example, we have a DRAM, we call it the ultra low power DRAM. The power consumption of our ultra low power DRAM with our unique design can reduce the power consumption by 70%, 70% compared to other low power DRAM. Also, we recently introduced a flash which only need a 1.2 volt power VCC instead of the typical 1.8 volt or 2.5 volts. So these are based on our unique technology and the very unique design to enable those products that can help the system designer in the edge devices. And in addition, for the edge device, because the form factor is very small, they want to have a small footprint, also less pin count. That's also Winbond's expertise. So we provide all our flash in the low pin count with only 8 pin. Not only for in the megabit, also all the way to gigabit. We provide the full portfolio of product with a low pin count. This is all the kind of very good product we can provide to the edge devices design.
Well, and one of those aspects of the lower voltage capability is that also helps the designer because he doesn't have to worry as much about his battery, because as my battery's dropping in voltage, I have a wider margin of operation now if I can go lower voltage with my memory.
Right now, most of the logic, including the MCU and the logic device, can operate at the low voltage. So if, for example, the flash device, which requires a higher voltage, they will add a component in the system, for example, the voltage converter. Every component consumes power. And also the lower voltage, definitely the device will consume less power. So that is our kind of motivation for Winbond to design the product to lower the power consumption. That is a lower VCC. We try our target to let our device operate with the same VCC with the logic product. So the system does not need another component to do the voltage conversion. We reduce the pin count that can help to shrink the system form factor. This is our value to the edge devices.
Very nice. Now, all right, whenever I think of those devices though, so now we've got our solution in the device, right?
Yes.
How do I make sure it's secure? The biggest issue right now today is I can have the best device in the world, but if somebody hacks it, it's useless to me, or worse.
That's correct. This is right now security become it's an important issue in the Internet. However, most of the effort has been put in the security in the cloud system, the big system. I think very minimum effort has been put in the edge devices because people want to edge security feature, but with lower cost. I think right now nobody has provided the effective solution to the edge device, to the security of the edge devices. This year's Winbond introduced a complete product portfolio. We call it a secure flash. That's based on our very proprietary security interface. And also we add a security feature in our flash memory. I call it a smart memory. So our memory is not only a memory, we're also incorporating lots of security feature into our memory. What is the benefit of that? No matter it's a new design or legacy design. Because our product can interface with this system with the existing interface. So they only have to, we provide a software, a secure software, they install that in their MCU system, and also without external secure flash. Then our product, secure flash product, can add the security feature into your system. Simple design. Standard interface, but we add the security feature in our side. Flash memory, we provide you software. Very simple solution. If you need a higher security level, we provide you some security logic, a small logic block you can integrate into your SoC. Then still go through our standard proprietary secure interface. Then boom, you can get a very high security level, even up to e-payment level.
Really?
So this is the way we can provide a product portfolio that can address the security need in the kind of button need, the middle level, or even highest level security requirement. Just like the family, every family needs a lock. Depending on your need, you can buy the very standard lock. Some people want to have a kind of more, like to pay more for higher security, or some people want to keep their credential or financial money. Then they need the highest security level safe deposit. Then Winbond provide the complete solution to satisfy all levels of security need.
Very nice. Now, okay, so we've got our solution for memory and we can make it secure. It's not something I can just easily drop in if you've got these advances. What kind of support do you offer? What kind of engineering support? What kind of application support do you offer an engineer? So what can you do for me to help me put your solution into my solution?
To make the whole, our target is try to make the whole process just like a turnkey. So what we do now, it's not different to the promotion of the traditional memory component, only give you the data sheet. Mm-hmm. In addition to the data sheet, always kind of prepare the some kind of standard SoC in the market. We prepare the demo board. To make sure the interface between the MCU and our secure flash memory are good. Mm-hmm. Because we tune the software, we call the security software, to provide the link between your MCU and our secure flash. Mm-hmm. And also we provide all kind of the application node. In addition, if company who want to have a higher level of security, for example, e-payment or e-SIM, which need quite sophisticated, like Java OS. We are not experts in the OS, but we do have a world-class Java OS partner who developed the Java OS based on our unique solution. Then they provide the module. So this is the way we make the customer can easily adopt our solution. Either they buy the product from Winbond, or they can buy the product from our partner who provide the complete solution, including the Java OS and other application, app. This is the way we promote or provide the secure flash product family to the market.
Very nice. Now, before I let you go, is there anything else you wanted to leave for our audience? Anything, last words?
Okay, I'll say Winbond, just remember that Winbond is a world-class, we call it a specialty memory solution provider. We provide a very wide product portfolio, not only DRAM. We are worldwide #1 NOR flash supplier. We provide high performance SLC NAND. And recently, I just mentioned, we introduced a wide portfolio of the secure flash. And also, we also add value to the customer. The values are we provide high quality, high performance, and we are very reliable and a stable memory supplier. That's why attract many world-class companies. They like to use Winbond as a memory supply partner. And also, there's two core competencies that drive Winbond's long-term growth. One is we have our own technology, DRAM, NOR flash, NAND flash, and the secure interface. And also we have lots of innovation. So we add a new feature to our product that can enable the system to get a better performance and a more effective total system cost. I think it's the value we can provide to the industry, to our customer. That's about Winbond.
Very nice, Tung-Yi. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us today. That was very interesting.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your time.